Now we are going to see how to draft the mechanical dimension on the KiCad. So here I am taking one of the enclosure which is planned to used for our PCB reference. So my PCB need to be sit here. So that was my intention. So here what I am doing in the sense, this part actually look into that here. This part I need to fit my PCB. How in the sense, it start from here. This is the edge cuts. Here it needs to go. These are mounting holes. After that, this up to this edge it need to be there. Then mounting hole. Then this cutout. Then need to come here. Here have my opening. That opening is used for external external connector opening. So I need to draw the DXF, how we need to plot and how we need to start from KiCad that I am explaining now. So we'll see. So I'm just opening the KiCad. Here I already have some schematic reference. So I'm directly going to layout without stopping here. So in the layout, what are all the components I'm using, so how to plot and all I'm explaining. So here I'm seeing some of the informations are not available in this data, so those things I need to calculate it, this overall dimension they offering. It's like the inside dimension is 60.2 mm, this hole to hole is 40 mm. So this is excess 20.2 mm is there, so that will be used for 11 for this detail. That means this h2, this dia of this hole, this h2, this end of this hole is like 11 mm. The same as here, the external dimension is 40.3 mm, internal in between this dia to dia is 34.2 mm. So excess is around 14 mm. So 7.1 7.1 I need to offer it for the external edge to this center point. So then only I need to cover. Then here you can see this dia how they are configuring is like 36.8 mm. So same like I need to calculate it with respect to this 40.3 mm. So this arch and all I need to cover up with the actual PCB size and all. So this how we need to plot, that will do. So this and all the reference I got previously, those things I'm eliminating. Now I'm zooming there. So here here I'm taking a brush and I'm doing. So this is my what we can say, draw lines that have some commands. Draw line shift control shift L in the sense it will come. So I'm changing my layer. I'm taking two edge cuts. Edge cut is a PCB layer, so edge cuts I'm taking. So when I click start, it will I can able to draw directly. If completed, after one click I press escape, it will went. So then I click to properties. When I press E or else right click and properties, you will get this kind of pop-up here, x-axis, y-axis, and what is the dimension. So if you want to draw some this axis y is remain constant. So here you can see 100.5 100.5. So I am making 100 in the sense straight line. I got it. Then I am clicking. So here I need to fix the dimensions. So it start from 25 to 1000, 25 to 111. So I need 15 mm length of this line, in the sense 25 plus 15 is 40 I'm giving, in the sense automatically it will realign. So like that way the measurement you can able to add. So same as for arc lines, we can do like this way. We can fix up this arc and we can do similarly for so here you can see like that way. So wherever the not straight lines all, you can do like this way. So next yeah, these are all the lines we can utilize and we can cover up our design. So use those things and make this dimension inside. So here also I will cover up clearly. I will mark it out wherever we need. So what is the dimension, and that I will mark it out in paint. Maybe you can use it for further reference. Okay, I will plot red line over there. So wherever wherever the PCB will sit, that dimension you have to grab it and you have to plot the same kind of things using the KiCad. As I said, previous one. So I'm using this one. So it is very thick, so I am reducing the size. Yeah, here you can see this red line. You need to plot it on the KiCad, like with exact dimensions. So all the measurements I want is plot it on yellow. So this all the measurements I want clearly. It is a PCB size. PCB size I want. So these things you have to measure it and you have to calculate it. So this everything first you work it out with the EG first, then EG diagram, engineering graphics diagram kind of way. Then you can work for how to calculate these things. First you can draw a paper diagram, then you implement it on KiCad. That was my expectation. So this will end up with, if you are done this experiment, what you will get in the sense, if you have some standard enclosures, how we can plot the um, PCB size. So PCB dimensions, what are the parameters we need to look into that, what is the edge to edge, so what are all the things we are looking, so those things you will get it. So here I have populated for 58 cross 38.5 mm, so that PCB is appearing here. So the final PCBs look like this kind of cutout, this red wala, then that was expectation. Yeah, thank you.